Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my previous video, I told you that for the bullish reversal of BTC, I'm looking at these two patterns. The first one was this bullish bad pattern, and the next one was this current pennant that was formed on the daily chart. So in today's video, we will have some more analysis on these patterns, and we will also watch this down channel that is broken out by the price action. That was formed on the short-term time period chart, the hourly chart, and we will also watch the different support and resistance level as well. And this channel that was formed on the daily chart, and this is broken down. We will also take some analysis of this channel as well, and we will also watch this very big symmetrical triangle that is started since 2017, and this resistance line of the triangle is really very tough for the price action to break out. First of all, I would like to show you this chart that I posted on 8th of June, and at that time the price action was moving around $9,900 to $10,000, and I predicted that the price action has started the formation of bullish garlet pattern after the successful formation of bullish bad pattern, and there was expected that the price action will complete the final leg of this bullish garlet pattern, and it will be entered in this potential reversal zone, and it will be moved up from this PRZ level. Now I'm playing this chart. I just posted this chart on 8th of June, and you can see now the price action. After playing this chart, we can see that the price action finally completed this final leg of this bullish garlet pattern and moved up. In fact, this was the bullish bad pattern. I tried to catch this pattern a bit early. In fact, this was the B leg and this was the C leg. For example, I have also published another chart after this one, and in that chart I have revealed that this was in fact the bad pattern, and the price action took a bullish divergence from the bad pattern that was starting from 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci retracement level, and this was that bad pattern. And I was expecting that same is like this bad pattern when price action was entered in the potential reversal zone. When the price action entered in this potential reversal zone of the current bad pattern from 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci level, this is that PR0 or potential reversal zone level, the price action will be moved up. And now I'm playing this chart. You can see that the price action is moved up from here, and this was the second pattern there on that I was looking for the bullish reversal, and that was the current pennant that was formed on the daily chart as well. Like we can see that the price action entered in this pennant on 7th of May, and since then the price action was not able to break out or break down the support and resistance of this channel. And at this time the price action was moving at the support. You can also watch my previous video when it was moving at the support, and I told you that this movement of the price action is very much synchronized with these three indicators, the combination of these three indicators, the squeeze momentum indicator, and this MACD, the moving average convergence divergence indicator, and this stochastic oscillator or indicator. And now I was waiting for when the price action will be at the support, and we will have some bullish signals by these three indicators. For example, it was the MACD was strong bearish. So here we can see that it turned weak bearish from strong bearish, so it was a bullish signal. And the stochastic also gave the bull cross, and I was also waiting for momentum to turn weak bearish from strong bearish, and we can see that yesterday we received these three signals, and the price action finally turned bullish, and it is now moving up. Now if we want the resistance of this pennant, that is almost at $9,950, so we can expect a spike up to $10,000. But if the buying volume will be strong, then we can expect also a breakout, as we are already at the end of this pennant. If I place this measurement tool from this candlestick when the price action was entered in this pennant up to the current candlestick, then we can see that almost 47 days have been passed since the price action has entered in this pennant. And if I place this measurement tool again from the current candlestick up to the end of this pennant, then we can see that the price action has the potential to move within this pennant for next 18 days. However, we can see that at this time, the pennant is getting squeezed and squeezed. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to move more within this pennant, and we will have a breakthrough very soon. However, a spike up to $10,000 up to this resistance of the pennant is almost confirmed, as the price action has bounced from the support of this pennant, and it is almost geared up, and all the indicators on this daily chart are turning bullish. Now, if we switch to the small term time period chart, that is the hourly chart, the price action has formed a down channel, and the formation of this channel was started on 16th of June, and now we can see that finally the price action has broken out this resistance of the channel. I've also placed this pitchfork tool on this chart to see the long-term projection in case the price action would not break out this resistance of the channel. Then we can see up to 28th of June, the resistance of the channel would be moved down up to $9,000, and the support of the channel would be moved down up to $8,800. And if it would be moved more down within this channel, then the support and resistance would be moved more down and down. So in order to avoid this down movement, the price action needed this breakout from the resistance of the channel as soon as possible, and finally now the price action has broken out this resistance. This pitchfork is a really very good tool to see the long-term projection of any channel where the price action can move in the future if we will not have any breakout or breakdown. You can also use this tool that is really very useful to see the long-term projection of the price action within the channel. Now, if we watch this support and resistance daily chart, and this is the live daily chart, we can see that now this new moon is appeared above this resistance of $10,000. So this is indication that the price action can move up to this moon that is around $10,200 or $10,300. For example, when this moon was this full moon was here at this resistance, then the price action moved up to this level. Then we have seen that the next new moon was appeared at this level. Then we have seen a spike up to this level. Now this new moon is appeared a little bit lower than the previous full moon. Therefore, we can expect a spike up to this level. And if the new moon will be appeared more up, then we can expect the price action will be moved more up. At this time, we can expect a spike up to $10,100 or $200 where we have the new full moon appeared. That's a clear indication that the price action can move up to this level. So a few days back, the price action broke down this support of $9,500. At this time, we have a very strong bullish candlestick that is trying to break out this $9,500 resistance level. If this resistance will be broken out completely, then we can expect a spike up to this new full moon. Now, if we watch this previous channel that was formed on the daily chart, this was up channel. The price action broke down the support of this channel on 15th of June when it started the formation of this down channel on the hourly chart. After that, the price action was having a strong support of 50 simple moving average, and finally it is bounced back from this support. We can expect that the price action may enter in this channel again. However, at this time, it can use this previous support of the channel as a resistance and retest this resistance that is almost at $10,000. I'm watching on this expected bull cross between the 100 and 200 simple moving averages that can also produce a really very powerful bullish move, because whenever the small time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, it produces a powerful bullish rally. And this is the 100 and 200 moving averages bull cross. These are not the small time period moving averages. Therefore, we can expect a powerful bullish move after this bull cross. And after this bull cross, a complete alligator mouth will be also formed. For example, at that time, we will have the smallest time period moving average, that is 25 above all. Then we have 50. Then we will have 100 and 200. So a complete open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages will be formed, and that will be a really very big support and strong support for the price action. I'm also watching this bullish cross a golden cross between the 25 and 50 simple moving averages on this weekly chart. As we can see that when a complete open alligator mouth was formed, when we have back before the 2017, the 25 simple moving average above all, then 50, then 100, and then 200 simple moving average below all the other simple moving averages, then price action turned parabolic bullish and moved more than 3,000%. At this time, we can expect also such bullish move, and I'm expecting once we will have a breakout from this resistance of this big symmetrical triangle that is started since 2017, and we can see that this is a really very strong rejection line for the price line since 2017. Whenever the price line reaches up to the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, it moved back down to the support. And once this resistance level will be broken out, then we can expect a really very powerful bullish rally again like we had back in 2017, and that will be a long-term bullish rally for next 1 or 2 years. And I'm expecting around $100,000 to $300,000 within next 1 to 2 years, like it moved up here. And finally, I would like to share or recall this very big bullish garlic pattern again that has been formed on the monthly chart. And I shared this chart or this pattern back in 6th April 2020. And at that time, the price action was moving at $6,800 within this potential reversal zone of this garlic. And I was expecting, as per Fibonacci sequence of garlic pattern, it will be moved at least up to this area, that is from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. I'm playing this chart, and now we can see that we have now the second bullish candlestick, and that is entered in this potential sell zone or the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. If we will have some more sequence of the bullish candlesticks, like we are having the one candlestick closing above the shoulder of the next candlestick, then soon the price action can also break out this level. This is the 0.786 Fibonacci level. That is a big hurdle for the price line, almost at $12,070. Once it will be broken out, then it will be really very difficult, easy for the price line to reach up to the previous highest ever price level in the history of the Bitcoin and to beat that price as well. So this was the update so far by the Bitcoin price action. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like this video, then do hit the like, my friends, and do share your comments in the comment section as well, and do subscribe to my channel as well. And you can also share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.